New tonight, the dangers of forever chemicals found in our local waterways. We've been reporting on PFAS contamination in the water around Airway Heights for years now. Tonight, people gathered to discuss the chemicals found in the Spokane River. KREM 2's Connor McAvoy was at that meeting tonight, and he brings us more.
A couple dozen people gathered at the Unitarian Universalist Church of Spokane Monday night, but they weren't here to worship. Instead, they came to learn more about per and poly-fluoroalkyl substances, otherwise known as PFAS, and its presence in the Spokane River. PFAS, the so-called forever chemicals, are used and in a long list of products that we commonly use. In fact, there are about 14,000 different variations of these chemicals, and experts say they can pose real risk to humans.
The health concerns then include metabolism interruption, thyroid trouble, high cholesterol, certain kinds of cancers, and in childhood vaccines, sometimes the vaccine doesn't work right.
John Hancock is the founder and president of the West Plains Water Coalition who hosted the meeting. He says the group started after PFAS was discovered near his home in the West Plains near Fairchild Air Force Base in 2017. It was later found near the Spokane airport.
The Air Force got busy right away to understand it, to provide filters for a lot of homes, but they don't talk very much to the general public about what's going on there.
The meeting had a geology professor, Spokane riverkeeper, and member of Spokane Public Works give their perspective on the chemical. The goal is to educate the public about PFAS and why the chemicals should be welcome in some areas more than others. PFAS is common in certain clothing items and cookware, but its discovery in the Spokane River is raising alarm for Hancock and other members of the coalition.
This chemical is hazardous in parts per trillion. Parts per trillion. It's an unimaginably small amount of a really harmful chemical.
While amounts in the Spokane River can vary, Hancock says any amount of PFAS in the water is still a concern. He says he hopes everyone attending the meeting took away an education and an understanding of what to look out for in the water supply and try to minimize it.
But now that we know how harmful this is, let's just get together and figure out how to apportion the duty and the cost and the cleanup.
Connor McAvoy, KREM 2 News.